Hi, I'm Joe James. In this video, we're going to explain the selection sort. We'll take a detailed look at how the selection sort works. We'll look at the big O analysis of the running time for the selection sort, and then we'll show how to code the selection sort in a Python method. So the selection sort is going to start by trying to find the smallest item and then swap it into, we've identified the smallest item 2, and then swap it into the first position. So first let's put an index on each item. We'll have a list of integers. We'll start with 7. We look at 7. Is that our smallest item? Well, right now it is. So we set min value equal to 7. Is 8 less than the min value? No. Is 5 less than min value? Yes. So our new min value is 5. So we're going to iterate through the list just like this, looking for the min value. Min value is 4 because 4 is smaller than 5. Is 9 smaller than 4? No. Is 2? Yes. So 2 is the min value. And then what we'll do is, after we've finished our first iteration, we'll swap the 2 into the first position of the unsorted part of the list, which right now is just the first position in the list. We're going to paint 2 blue because that's now part of the sorted part of the list. So this part here is sorted, and everything to the right is not, because we've only done one iteration so far. So our second iteration will start with the 8. New min value is 8. So we're looking for anything smaller than 8. Is 5 smaller? Yes. Is 4 smaller? Yes. 9? No. 7? No. So our min value is 4. So we want to swap the 4 into the lowest point in the unsorted list, which is the 8. So let's do a swap. We swap the 4 into place. Now the 4 becomes part of the sorted part of the list. And the 5 is the first element of the unsorted part of the list. We'll set our min value to 5. We're going to find the next smallest item. It happens to be 5. We didn't know that until we iterated through each item. So we don't need to move 5 at all. We'll add 5 to the sorted part of the list. And look at our first element of the unsorted part of the list, 8. Our min value is going to become 8. Is 9 less than our min value? No. Is 7 less than our min value? Yes. So 7 is the new min value. Now we want to swap the 7 into the 8th position, the first part of the unsorted part of the list. We'll swap the 8 and the 7. Now the 7 becomes sorted, and we only have 2 elements left unsorted. We'll set our new min value to 9. Is 8 less than 9? Yes it is, so we're going to swap those. We'll swap the 8 and the 9, and then they're both sorted. So that completes the selection sort. So the selection sort is not a fast sorting algorithm because you can see it uses nested loops. It is useful really only for small data sets, less than 10,000 records. Anything larger than that, and there are much faster sorting algorithms. It runs in big O of n squared times because we have nested for loops. So let's look at how we can write a selection sort program in Python. First we'll define a selection sort function, and we'll accept a list called A. Our outer loop variable, I, goes from range 0 to the second to last item in the list. And the first thing we want to do inside the loop is set min index equal to I. For our inner loop, we want to iterate through the entire unsorted part of the list, or I plus 1 through length of A. And then we do a comparison to find the min item. We'll save the index of the minimum item, and then we'll swap the item into place. So that's how the selection sort works. That completes our video on selection sort. If you like this video, make sure to click the like and the subscribe buttons at the bottom of the screen. I'm Joe James. Thanks for watching.